In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort A to Z in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing a list of names, sorting through numerical data, or arranging items alphabetically, being able to sort your data efficiently is an essential skill in managing spreadsheets. So, let's delve into it and ensure that by the end of this guide, you'll be confidently sorting data like a pro. First, let's begin by selecting your data range. It's important to include all the data you want to organize within this selection. Simply click and drag your mouse across the cells you wish to highlight. This selection is crucial because it specifies which part of your spreadsheet you want the sorting function to work on. Once your data range is selected, we can move on to the next step. Now direct your attention to the top of the Google Sheets window, where you'll find a menu bar. Look for the option labeled Data. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you want to focus on the option that says Create a Filter. This function will enable sorting capabilities and provide more control over how your data is ordered. After clicking Create a Filter, you'll notice small filter icons appearing at the top of each column within the selected range. These icons look like small funnels and are pivotal in the sorting process. They allow you to specify the exact column by which you want to organize your data. Next, click on the filter icon located at the top of the column you'd like to sort by. It's important to click directly on this icon rather than on the column itself. This action will present you with a list of sorting options. What you're looking for here is the option that states Sort A to Z. Selecting Sort A to Z will rearrange the data in your chosen column into alphabetical order, starting from A and going to Z. If you're dealing with numbers, this option will sort them in ascending order, beginning with the smallest value and progressing to the largest. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've transformed your data into a neatly organized, easy-to-navigate format. Remember, this method helps maintain clarity in your workflow, especially when dealing with large data sets. Keeping your data organized makes it simpler to analyze and draw insights. So, there you have it. Sorting A to Z in Google Sheets, made simple and effective. This technique not only improves your productivity, but also enhances your data management skills. Thanks for watching.